Unhealable wounds, my mind been corrupted and bruised. A fierce fighter, I never was the type to lose. Release pain, I'm ready for my chance to fly.
Death is close by.
My premonition's clear, I feel I'm getting close.
Yeah, it's your boy Furious Cyrus, you know what I'm saying? Holding it down for the Dillinges, you know what I mean? Low fame and all of that. Check it. I be like, all my niggas Marvin, all you niggas targets, engraving with the heart, have them singing like Marvin. This is more than music, yeah, I'm about to prove it. Boy, you ain't a thug nigga, who you think you fooling? Come test me if you want, I'm addicted to the violence. And I'ma tell you this, real niggas move in silence. Ballad of a soldier, listen to my words, the loyalty is dead, all these little niggas hurts. Soul of a thug, my mentality is street, blow an L to the face, then I fuse with the beat. Edge of young rider, the predator's back, adding pressure to your skull till your brain start to crack. I never was a snitch, don't label me a bitch, I hold it down thoroughly familiar with the blick. The Hemi got me bent, so the diesel getting twist. Shorty tweaking off a Molly, gotta swallow in the dick. They fucking with a prince, a descendant of a king. I'm the young Mayweather, bringing fury to the ring. Wisdom of a god, don't make me pull your card. I rip your fucking face off for fucking with the dawn. And now I'm going Michael, that means I'm going psycho. 45 calibers aimed at your pipe though. Let me in the game or I'm blowing down the doors. Sticking everybody up, I'm from the class of the poor. My perfection is perfected. My city, I'ma rep it. If a nigga got a problem, guarantee I'm going to check it. The kid named is Furious Cyrus, holding it down for the Dillinges. Yeah, man.
My premonition's clear, I feel I'm getting close. Praying to Allah, burn grip on the toast. Can't defeat death, but still I gotta try. Time is of the essence and I feel I'm gonna if I die, tell my baby girl I love her to death. Splitting image of a daddy and a birth was love.